friend of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select App Management. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Location. Then pick one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options, so I have to click on Maps apps over here and select one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on Maps app or any other one, select see all Maps permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!